Zachary and Michaela, bask in the glow of this moment, because I promise you the next 20 minutes will be the fastest 20 minutes of your life.
Getting married.
Getting married today.
That's the most fun I had all day.
Love is a temporary madness. It erupts like volcanoes and then subsides. And when it subsides, you have to make a decision. You have to work out whether your root was so entwined together that it is inconceivable that you should ever part. Because this is what love is. Love is not breathlessness. It is not excitement. It is not the promulgation of promises of eternal passion. That is just being in love, which any fool can do. Love itself is what is left over when being in love has burned away. And this is both an art and a fortunate accident. Those that truly love have roots that grow towards each other underground. And when all the pretty blossoms have fallen from their branches, they find that they are one tree and not two.
It's a rare gift to meet two such special people at once. Even more special to witness their relationship blossom from the very beginning. What strikes me about their relationship is just how deeply it's rooted in laughter and joy and genuine respect.
I'm so happy to see you.
Their love has endured through moves to different cities and states, new jobs, deep heart-wrenching loss. Losing Michaela's sister Alex was a moment that took the world off its axis. And yet, through that deep grief, they found a way to carry and care for each other.
Michaela, I feel so incredibly excited and honored to be marrying you today. Knowing you is a privilege, and being able to call you my wife from this day forward is a blessing. You make anywhere feel like home. You are without a doubt the most selfless, authentic, down-to-earth person I have ever met, and I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life making you feel as loved, appreciated, and understood as you make me feel each day. I promise to be present with you while planning our future, to build a life together that we can be equally proud of, to cherish you and put you first. From this day forward, I vow to never stop dating the hell out of you.
That's so good. My Zachary. Sorry.
Don't be sorry.
This morning I took my first deep breath. I don't mean my first deep breath of the day or my first one in a while. I mean my first deep breath ever. I thought I was breathing just fine before today, and then I woke up this morning and realized that I have barely been breathing at all. I realized that I've really never known true peace until today, because today I become your wife. Today you become my family, my resting place, my home, and I become yours.
The last night that we spent with Alex was October 7th, 2022, and we had a great evening, just had the best time. And we were saying goodbye. She hugged Zach, and she was headed for the door, and I said, You're not gonna hug me? What are you doing? She ran back over and she gave me a hug, and she said, I'm sorry, I just like Zach better than you. And we all sort of got a good chuckle out of it. And then she leaned in real close, and in the hug, she whispered to me, you better marry that boy.
I feel like there's love, and then there's our love. Our love feels like the most obvious thing in the world. It is gravity to me, holding everything where it should be. People say that love turns your world upside down, but you turn my world right side up. I want to thank you for the ways that you have walked me through the last 2 years especially. I was not always easy to love, but you would have never known that by the way that you loved me. You and I know how hard life can be. We have faced it and allowed it to shape us and strengthen us, but we know how hard it can get. And I so badly wish I could promise you an easy life, but we both know that I can't. So instead, I promise you an easy love. I promise you a love that moves with you, grows with you, seeks out the good in you every day. And most of all, I promise you a love that brings you the same deep breath I took this morning. I have been in a bit of a tailspin since I was born, and today I am landing on solid ground. Thank you for being the softest possible place I could have ever landed. My heart is yours forever.
Love you.
I regret letting you go first now. Yeah.
Thank you.